Hey y'all, it's Diane with Y'all Craft One in my old barn door, and I am super duper excited. I got a goodie package from my sweet friend Debby Long. She had sent me a message a while back and said she was making some stuff to go in my Christmas kits, and for me not to release the kits until I got my box. Well, I got my box last night. I was so excited, and I got to go through the box. So I've already cheated and went through and looked at everything. Y'all are gonna love this. Debby, oh my goodness, Debby, I cannot thank you enough. Y'all, wait till you see the work she has done in this little box. I mean, she has put hours and hours and hours of work into this. So all of these items will be going into my Christmas kits, and the Christmas kits will be released this afternoon. So if you want a Christmas kit, they will be in the shop this afternoon. I am going to try to release them. Let me look at the clock. Okay, I'm going to try and release them at 3 o'clock this afternoon. That's Eastern time. So be looking for those to pop up in the shop. And I will do a video and show you everything that's in the kit. But for now, you get to see some goodies that are going to be going in the kits. And I'll get those finished. I have everything ready. I just have to add these items. So let's take a peek real quick and see what she sent. So I'm just going to take everything out of the box and lay it on my table here so that you can see what we have. Hang on, I'm going to move the camera a little. Okay, so let's take a peek and see what we have. Okay, some of the things are not going in the kit because I realize that there are some things that I don't have enough of to go in the kits. So look at these. I'm going to scoot these over so you can see. These, she sent me a note and she said these are made with a glassine type paper from Wear Memory Keepers, and she included some extra papers for me. I'm super excited. So maybe we can make some of these on video. I'm gonna have to look at what she how she did it so I think she has a die cut, and I have this die cut, so if I need more I can make a die cut. So there will be one or two of those in your kit. Super cute. I love these. Debby, I cannot thank you enough for all this hard work that you put into this. So you'll get some of those in the kit. And then look at these. Y'all are going to love these. I love these. I'm going to play with some of these. But I think I have enough. These are tags that she has made from Braille paper. Can y'all see that? How cool is that? So you'll get one or two of these according to how many I have. Probably one. I don't think I'll have enough to make two. So you'll get one of those in the kit. This is so much work. I am so humbled by her wonderful package. Look at these. These are so cool. I love corrugated cardboard, and she cut all of these tags out of corrugated cardboard. How cool is that? How fun to play with. So I'm going to do some videos playing with some of the items in the kit, and so maybe I'll have enough of these. I think I'll have enough of these to put in the kits. And then we can play with some on video. Thank you, Debby. I love them. I'm so excited. And then she made these. Let's see. These are gorgeous. They are tags that she's cut out and made from graphic 45 paper. And I think they're called the 12 Days of Christmas. Because it's got the, like on the second day of Christmas and partridge in a pear tree. So according to how many I have, some of these will be in the kits. I think I'll have enough for the kits. I have 30 kits. Well, no, I take it back. I have 28 kits. Because, of course, Debby's getting a kit. And my other friend, I have another friend who is getting a kit. So I'll have 28 kits available. So those will be in the kit. And then look at these. These are super cute. And I haven't counted all of them to see if I have enough to go in the kits. But whatever I have enough of will be in the kits. How stinking cute are these? I love these with the Christmas music. Little journal cards for you to play with. Yay. Debbie, thank you so much. This is so much work. I just cannot say thank you enough. And then check this out. She told me she knows how much I hate fussy cutting. And so she loves to fussy cut, and she can sit in her chair and fussy cut in the evenings. And she cut out all of these fussy cuts for me. Look at how stinking cute these are. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with these. They are so, so adorable. Can't y'all see these in a farmhouse type journal? Oh, I'm so in love, Debbie. Look at all, this is so much work. I mean, I can't say thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So we have these, and I'll be adding some of these to the kit. I love these so much. And then, look at these. Look at these little snowflakes. Oh my goodness, look at how much work that is. I don't know if she punched these or die cut these, but whichever she did, that's a lot of work. So I'm going to see what I can do to add some of these to the kit. Thank you, Debbie. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. It's washi, yay. Ooh, we're going to play with this washi because I won't have enough of these to go in the kits. So I get to play with them myself. So we're going to play with some of these with some of those tags. Won't that be fun? Thank you, Debbie. Oh, look, y'all, she sent me goodies. As if this wasn't enough. Oh, my goodness. Oh, y'all, these are so heavy. I love, so you can tell they're good, solid, good made. Look at how stinking cute the Roosters are. Oh, my goodness, I'm so in love with these, Debbie. These are awesome. Okay, this I think is where it's from. So if you want to find some of these, oh my gosh, I'm so in love with those. And then look at the Christmas die cuts. I love the colors. She knows I've been talking about the greens. Look at all the pretty greens in there. Debbie, thank you so much. Oh my God, no you didn't. I might cry. Hang on a second. Okay, had to gather myself. She sent me the die cut for these little pockets. I'm so stinking excited. Oh my goodness. Look, y'all, I'm shaking. Debbie, thank you. This is awesome. I cannot wait to play with these. Oh, won't they be cute with Christmas paper? Oh, I can't wait to play with them. Yay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then look at these. Look at these cute little tags. Oh my goodness. How adorable. Oh, look at the one with the barn. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute are these? So if I have enough of these, I'll add them to the kit. Oh, I hope I have enough. I want to put so much in the kits. Oh goodness. These are adorable. Look at that fresh cut. How stinking cute. Oh my goodness. 'Tis the season to sit on Santa's lap. Oh, I love these. These are such cute little tags. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute. Oh, these are awesome. Debbie, oh, look at the one with the tractor. That's my favorite. I don't know, I love the one with the barn too. Oh my goodness, these are perfect. Thank you, thank you. And then look, y'all, she sent me some journal cards. She knows I love my Bible scriptures. I love these, Debbie. These are wonderful. Look at the farmhouse ones. Oh, I love these. I could sit and look at these. Oh, look at the one with the barn. These are perfect. Look at that with the cute little sticker with the boots. Oh my gosh, Debbie, thank you so, so much. I'm so excited. And then look at this. Okay. Not only did she make these for the kits, and I have just enough for the kits. Look at this. They're little pockets, okay, made out of Christmas paper. And then you have a little booklet on a tag. How stinking cute is that? And then look, she put you a little coin envelope made from a children's book page. Oh my goodness, so Look at Santa's face. And then look, she made all of these little tags. Oh my gosh. These are wonderful, Debbie. I am so in love with these. So there's enough of these, just enough of these to put in the kits. Hang on, let me get them put together. And then look, not only did she make all of these little pockets, look at this stinking cute box she put them in. Oh my goodness, this box is going to be used and used and used. I'm totally using this on my craft desk all the time. And here's some extra ones. And these are the ones I think will make it be just enough for all the kits. So you get one of these little pockets in the kit. Oh my gosh, thank you, Debbie. I'm so excited. And then look at these wonderful fabrics she sent me. Number one, look at this. I don't even know how you did this, Debbie. Look, she's got all of these different fabrics, and I'll show you. So she's got all these little fabric strips, and she put them on like the washi tape. You know how you make the fabric washi? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about these. I cannot wait to use these in a journal. Because there won't be enough of these to go in the kits unless I cut them in half, and that really kind of defeats the purpose. So these, I know I'm going to try and make at least one journal. So I'll be using these in the journal. And then look at all of these beautiful fabrics. I love these so much. I was so excited when I opened the box and saw these, because I kind of don't have a whole lot of Christmas fabrics. And so these are perfect. If I have enough, I might can share. I do have the little fabric packs already made to go in the journals. So I might just hoard these and keep them for myself, if that's okay, Debbie. Because I don't have enough of all of them to go in the kits. But I'm super, super excited to play with those. And look at these. Y'all, these are little strips. Look at how adorable this fabric is. It has the little truck, the red truck with the Christmas tree. But I love the fence with the cardinal birds on it. How pretty is that? So I got 2 strips of that. One's a little bit wider. Look how pretty that. I love it with the Santa bag. Wouldn't that make the cutest little fabric flip? Just this little piece right here, like that. How cute would that be for a fabric flip? I'm so excited to play with these. Thank you, Debbie. And then look at this. I love, 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 love this fabric. This is some of my favorite fabric. I love it. And I was hoarding a little bit of it that I had. So now I don't have to hoard it. I can play with it and use it. So excited. And then look at this with the cute candy canes. Is this adorable or what? Oh my gosh. And she sent me so much. Debbie, thank you. Thank you. I love this. Oh, I love everything she has put in here for the kits, and I'm so excited to finish putting them together, which they're all together. I just need to add her items to it. So I'll make a little pack of goodies from her items to add to the kits. And so hopefully I can get all of that finished, get the video of the kits done today, and have them in the shop by 3 o'clock. So I guess I should probably go and get busy so that I can get it all done in time for y'all. So Debbie, I don't even have words to say thank you enough. There are no words to tell you thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this wonderful, wonderful gift of not only things to go in the kits, but for the gift of your time, which is, to me, most valuable, and your friendship, that's most valuable. But your time, that's important too. So thank you, thank you, thank you so, so much. And I can't wait to put these little packs together and get them in the kits, and hopefully y'all can grab you a kit and enjoy making adding them to your Christmas journals. So let me know if you have any comments or questions. Please like and subscribe, and thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.